Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Chakra from Hollow Knight Silksong in a dynamic mid-air battle pose, ready to strike with her iconic throwing rings. If you enjoy characters from the Hollow Knight universe, you're in the right place. Let's begin by sketching a simple gesture line showing Chakra leaping forward as if she's striking from above. Here's a quick note. In this tutorial, I sped up the skeleton and rough sketch phase, so feel free to pause the video if you want to study that part more carefully. Her head is a sharp, mask-like shape. Keep it clean and smooth, tilting slightly downward to show her focus. Now place the main body, a small torso with her scarf flowing behind, giving that sense of fast motion. Chakra is one of the earliest characters revealed for Silksong, instantly catching attention with her dancer-like movements. Add her legs stretched in different directions, keeping everything sharp and flexible, just like in the original design. If you're enjoying this mysterious warrior, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Her arms curve forward with strength, each one gripping her signature throwing rings. Her throwing rings are inspired by real martial arts weapons used for fast, circular attacks. Make those circles bold and dynamic. Tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see next? And in which style? Retro cartoon, modern cartoon, or chibi? Use long sweeping shapes for the limbs to match that fast, fluid Silksong style. And if you enjoy the Hollow Knight universe, don't forget to check out our playlist with many other characters. Just click on the card above. Many fans believe Chakra belongs to a group of elite warriors because of her scrolls, although her true role remains mysterious. Add the curled scrolls on her back, which help give her a unique flair. Her design stands out because she blends elegance with agility. Just like Hornet, Chakra's movements suggest she's highly acrobatic, leaping across the battlefield with precision. Silksong is known for its incredible style, a mix of smooth animation and bold minimalist shapes. The Hollow Knight franchise has grown a passionate fan base because every character, even the side ones, has so much charm and mystery. For the colors, I used yellow, black, deep red, and soft brown tones. These match her official appearance perfectly. And here she is. I hope you enjoyed drawing Chakra with me. She's such a dynamic and stylish character. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.